In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit member sign-up settings on the innovative platform, Wix. Our journey begins in the heart of Wix, the Wix editor. Here, you'll want to locate the Pages icon situated on the left sidebar, which serves as the navigation panel of the editor workspace. Once you find this, look for and select the option that says Sign Up and Log In. This is where you can control the settings that govern how new members sign up and log in to your Wix website. After you have navigated to the Sign Up and Login settings, you'll notice a menu that gives you the option to choose either the default or custom form. The choice here depends wholly on your preference. If you prefer the streamlined simplicity of a form readily constructed by Wix, go ahead and choose the default option. If instead you'd like to inject more of your website's personality into the sign-up and login process, definitely opt for the custom form option. Once you have made your selection, it's time to dive deeper into the settings for these forms. Look for the form you've just selected and click on it. Upon doing this, you will see something labeled Additional Sign-up and Login Settings or a similar settings option. The cool part is, clicking on this opens up a world of tools that let you manage core functionality aspects of your site's sign-up and login process. Now that you've accessed these additional settings, your first stop should be managing member approval. You'll see a section labeled Who can be a site member? It is here you make the crucial decision of choosing whether everyone can sign up freely or if memberships are granted on an only people you manually approve basis. While the former allows any visitor to quickly become a member, the latter gives you more control over who gets in. Let's move on to the next setting, email confirmation. You will see an option to decide if newly signing members need to confirm their email to successfully sign up. Should you choose to enable this feature, it provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that all emails registered on your site are valid and verified. The final adjustment we're going to make today involves bot protection. Look for a toggle that says, Use reCAPTCHA for sign up and login. Activating this controls spammy activities by ensuring that every sign up or login is genuinely human. This amazing feature is worth enabling if you want to protect your site from spam and bot invasion. And just like that, you have learned how to tweak and edit the member sign up settings on Wix. Learning about these settings and implementing them correctly can vastly enhance your user experience, improving not just your site's security, but also its credibility and accessibility.